Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Tuesday the 26th of June. And today the markets did gap up pretty well, only to chop around a little, come higher, and then eventually begin working its way lower, only to find a bottom and begin buying up. Today we had two trades, both of them successful. The maximum profit potential that we were working in was 7 points or 28 ticks. Actual entries and exits in the room, we made 10.75 points or 43 ticks. If you want to equate that to monetary terms, that's round down to 10 points, $50 times 10 points, $500, and a 2.5 hour period. So definitely not too bad at all. Let's get into the trades that we took. About a minute after the open, we grabbed a long over here and rode that up quite a bit, and took our last profit up here. Watched the market chop around a little, and we did have some 10 o'clock numbers come out. The consumer confidence came in worse than expected. Richmond Manufacturing Index came in worse than expected. The 9 o'clock Case-Shiller came in a little better, but they were watching the 10 o'clock numbers mostly, the consumer confidence and Richmond Manufacturing. Worse than expected. They did buy it up a little and sold hard the market. Around in this bar here, we began getting long and basically held out and took profits. First little profit up here, and then the second one over here. So we maximized that trade. Yeah, we could have held out for 11 something, but what's the point really? It's not a huge deal. You want to get in, take your profit. Calling the tops and the bottoms, we'll leave that for someone else. Our main goal to get in, make some money, and get out. Calling the tops and the bottoms seems like a fool's game. Most of the time, you're not going to call a top or a bottom. It doesn't happen that often. Have I done it before? Yes, I have. But how long have I been trading? So you have to take that into account. Calling a top or a bottom is not likely. It's better just to get in, take your profit, get out. Who cares where the market goes? If it does go a nice way and set up into another trade, great. If not, it doesn't matter because you already took a little profit. That's the way I like to look at things. Anyway, let's I encourage everyone to check out the website. If you haven't already, definitely check it out. If you like it, awesome. Glad that you do. It's www.businesswithtrading.com. I have a getting started area on the right hand side. It has a lot of good introductory information. I have to talk about the broker that I use. I talk about different things. What is the Emini contract? How do you trade it? Stuff like that. I have a creating a trading plan newsletter. It's a 7-day e-course, and I added a couple other days for emphasis. And I do that, and then I do the nightly recaps. This video you're watching right now, I send that out as well. With that, if you have any questions, comments, feedback, anything like that, don't hesitate to email me. If you're a subscriber of the newsletter, just reply to anything that you get from me. It'll go right to me. Or on the upper right hand side of the website, I have a contact form, so don't hesitate to use that. There's no such thing as a stupid question, only the question that's not asked. That's very, very true. A lot of people say, well, that's a stupid question, but they're coming from the standpoint where they know the information. And if the person who asked the question doesn't know the information, that's a good question. So I see things a little differently than some people, I guess. But if you don't know the answer, ask a question, and it's a good question because you don't know the answer. So that's the way I look at stuff. Anyway, let's get into the news for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, the 27th, and it begins at 8:30 in the morning. Core Core durable goods orders looking for 0.9%. Prior reading was the opposite, negative 0.9. Durable goods orders looking for 0.5%. Prior reading was flat. 10 o'clock, pending home sales, big number. New home sales did beat, even though the market sold off from it the other day. We're looking for 1.2%, and negative 5.5% was the prior reading. 10:30, we do have crude oil inventories, and we're looking for negative 0.7 million. Prior reading was plus 2.9 million. So that's the news on the day. Hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you did, thank you very much. And if you didn't, thank you for watching anyway. I still appreciate the support. If you did enjoy the video, I would appreciate if you click the like button. Definitely would appreciate that. That shows that people are out there enjoying what I'm doing. With that, have an awesome night, everyone. I'll see you in the markets. Thanks.